This isn't a control panel, it's your creative cockpit. The MasterHUB Creator Kit by Cooler Master lets you build your ideal setup with swappable IPS display keys, precision faders and smooth rollers. Customize commands, tweak audio, scroll timelines, all with insane control. Snap in modules, skip the menus and stay in flow. Perfect for streamers, editors and creators who hate limits. Finally a setup that works your way. Knife Sharpener. Say goodbye to dull blades with adjustable angles from 15 to 30 degrees. This sharpener makes it easy to restore razor-sharp edges on kitchen and serrated knives. Fast, precise, and perfect for every home cook. Simplify your connections with the MagSafe magnetic USB-C adapter, featuring a strong 24-pin magnetic connection and 240-watt fast charging. It protects your devices from wear and tear. With 40 GB per second data transfer and 4K video output capabilities, it's perfect for laptops, gaming devices, and smartphones. The compact 90-degree design enhances cable management, making it ideal for both work and play. Compatible with most USB-C devices, it's a smart, versatile solution. Ever seen a phone mount that could probably hold a small planet? This MagSafe beast sticks with 78 pounds of suction and magnets so strong it's basically phone glue. Spins, folds, cools your device. Yeah, it does everything. Bumpy road, sudden stop, doesn't flinch, snaps on in a second. Fits any phone and ride. It's giving I'm not letting go, bro. And honestly, respect. Looking for effortless, high-quality screen mirroring? Introducing the 4URPC Gen 2 wireless transmitter and receiver. Enjoy crisp 4K resolution, ultra-fast response, and a plug-and-play experience. No apps, no Wi-Fi needed. From classrooms to boardrooms and movie nights, it delivers smooth streaming up to 15 meters away. Simply plug in, press the transmitter button, and watch your content shine. It's the next level in wireless display technology. Stay charged wherever you go with the Baseus 20,000 mAh power bank. Delivering up to 100-watt fast charging through dual USB-C ports, it can power laptops, phones, and tablets efficiently. Its slim, lightweight design, paired with a digital LED display for battery status, ensures convenience and style. Perfect for travel or daily use, this power bank combines powerful performance with portability to keep your devices ready all day. OLIGHT Sphere Smart Lamp is a stylish smart night light for your home. With brightness up to 75 lumens and smooth dimming, it creates the perfect atmosphere for reading or relaxation. Using the app, you can remotely control the color and choose from 20 different modes, including dynamic and static ones. Its compact size and magnetic charging make it convenient to use. It's a wonderful gift or decoration for your interior. This is the 21st century, where cutting cables and going wireless is the new trend. With this mini Bluetooth keyboard, you can easily navigate through your car entertainment screen and your TV, which is otherwise not so easy task. Moreover, you can connect it to your PC and use it as your gaming pad. Another amazing thing about this keyboard is that because of its powerful lithium-ion battery, you can use it continuously for 10 days. Need a safety light that's stylish and practical? Check out BlinkO by Scoutlite, a sleek device that keeps you visible without the bulk. Its magnetic clip easily attaches to gear, necklaces, or wristbands. With 5 light modes, drop protection, and IPX5 waterproofing, it's ideal for night runs, dog walks, or roadside fixes. Plus USB-C charging and auto sync enhance convenience. BlinkO keeps you safe without sacrificing style. Elevate your ride with the Cycplus cycling speed and cadence sensor. This compact, waterproof gadget effortlessly pairs with Bluetooth and Ant Plus devices, providing dual-mode speed and cadence detection. Its long-lasting battery and easy installation on any bike make it a favorite among cyclists, ideal for those seeking to boost their performance metrics in style. A seamless blend of technology and practicality, it's the cyclist's essential tool for better, smarter riding. Say hello to the grip that holds on tight. This magnetic suction cup mount clings to your iPhone like it was built into the design. With powerful vacuum pads and MagSafe ready alignment, it holds firm on glass, mirrors and more. Perfect for mirror selfies, TikToks or hand-free calls in unexpected places. No slip, no stress, just snap it on and let the wall do the work. Forget falling earbuds, the Soundcore Sport X20 snap on like they're part of your skull. Twist, run, sweat, they're not going anywhere. With punchy bass, noise cancelling and 48 hours of playtime, they're basically a pre-workout for your ears. IP68? That's tech speak for you can shower in them. Rain, reps or random chaos, these buds stay locked, sound sharp and keep you in the zone every single time. Want to level up your vibe? The Pro Intelligent RGB Rhythm Light is where it's at. It picks up sound with its built-in mic and turns it into colourful LED patterns that dance to the beat. You can tweak colours, brightness and speed right from the app. Perfect for your car, gaming setup or chilling with a movie. It's an easy way to make any space feel more alive and fun. Think you know your components? The FNIRSI LCRP1 knows them better. Pop in a resistor, capacitor, transistor, it instantly IDs, measures and displays everything on a crisp color screen. SMD, through-hole, MOSFETs, Zeners, all covered, with anti-burn protection, NEC infrared decode and a rechargeable battery. It's the multi-tool every electronics geek deserves. Compact, clever and ready to make your workbench 10 times smarter. Alright, brace yourself, this thing lets you see inside your ear, like full-on HD livestream of your earwax adventures. The Bebird Earsight Plus is basically a GoPro for your eardrum, with tiny tools and tweezers to scoop out the cringe. Gross? Maybe. Addictive? Definitely. It's like oddly satisfying TikTok but in real life. Who knew clearing your ears could be this entertaining? I'm not proud, but I'm obsessed.